Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to view saved jobs on LinkedIn. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn. After that you have just to click on jobs on the bottom right of the screen. And as you can see there is some options in the top of the screen. You have just to click on my jobs. And as you can see in the first place you will find the saved jobs. You have just to click on it, and as you can see this is the saved jobs. And if you want to get it out from saved jobs, you have just to click on saved, and as you can see this job is no longer saved. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this